the Master of Ceremonies, respected Talatala, respected landowners, youth participants, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good day to you all. My ministry, Youth and Sports, is on move after a break of 6 to 5 months. Yesterday we were in Central Division with the similar assistance provided to the youth clubs. Today I'm here in Velo Velo. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, youths will be involved in planting mangroves at the Namoli village. And after that, we will have a similar assistance program in Ba for the youths of Ba and Tabua. Having said that, let's not forget, we are not out of pandemic. And we need to observe the protocols in place. And that is my humble request to all of you here as well. It is indeed a pleasure for me to be here to officiate at today's grand handover ceremony, which is the Fijian government's effort to support our young Fijians in this country. And I joined the divisional manager in welcoming you all to this ceremony. Ladies, gentlemen, and our dear youths, today there are more youths in the world than ever before. And in Fiji, about 70% of the population make up of our youths. And this afternoon, I would like to urge all of you, in particular our young men and women, to play a major role in shaping the future of this nation. In today's world, the youth of today is our only hope for tomorrow. Hence, we owe you a sense of responsibility by guiding and showing you the right path. But you need to have right mind. Don't be misled by people for their own survival. Our youth have important responsibilities to discharge. We should draw a lesson from the past. Remain vigilant in the present and live with the hope of seeing a brighter future. Our young people have a responsibility to fulfill, which is to remain honest and sincere. You should continue to work for the growth of our society and the country as well. For today's program, I'm happy to announce that a total of 41 youths from 2 different youth clubs will receive this grant. I have been also told that these are none other than Tabuanakete Youth Club and Namasi Youth Club. I'm also told that many of these youths have been actively engaged in community work. This includes activities such as cleanup campaigns. Some have been actively participating in our Duke of Edinburgh International Award DEAR program. And this morning I was told that Namasi Youth Club partnered in hosting a sevens awareness tournament in Lautoka area this year, working in collaboration with the Duavata community policing through sports, which successfully raised the awareness. And on behalf of my ministry, I want to say thank you very much for your participation. Ladies, gentlemen, and our youths, at this juncture, I wish to commend the support of the village elders and the landowners. Without them and without their consent, these youths here would not have land to farm on, land to harvest from, and to earn a living. So can we put our hands together and thank the landowners? Like all of the Fijian government initiatives and programs, the grants to youth clubs also has a monitoring mechanism. This grant is not a handout that will be given and forgotten about. We will ensure that all youth groups are accountable for the materials provided to them and they achieve the set targets. Therefore, my ministry will conduct a post-disbursement monitoring and verification exercise which will monitor the progress made in your groups. I urge you all to seize the opportunity that has been given. Work as hard as you can and use your imagination to think of new ways to make your business grow. I'd also like to urge you to use these materials and seedlings wisely and for the purpose it has been given to you. Remember, the Fijian people, through their government, have placed their trust in you and count on you to uphold the trust. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, great things lie ahead for our beloved nation if we stay focused on the task ahead of building our nation. We all dream of confident and strong, a nation of opportunities for everyone. So with these few words, I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Vinaka, and thank you.